wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from Chill Group, and this is my friend.
My name is Onagatunovia.
And I am Radil Bianto. We are standing here for presenting our future. Hi, Owen.
Hi Randy, nice to meet you.
Where are you coming from?
I just graduated from
Sounds fun. By the way, have you thought about what you want to do in the future?
How about you?
Okay. The next years, I'm going to intern at Bionet. In the next 2 years, I'm going to focus on my grades. In the next 3 years, I'm going to get a job. In the next 4 years, I'm going to save my money. In the next 5 years, I'm going to study at the University of Gajah Mada. In the next 10 years, in the next 6 years, I'm going to buy a new motorcycle. In the next 7 years, I'm going to spend my vacation in Bali. In the next 8 years, I'm going to open my business. In the next 9 years, I'm going to buy new house. In the next 10 years, I'm going to get married. How about you, Owen?
Starting next year, I'm going to Institute Teknologi Bandung University. In the next 3 years, I want to become electrical engineering. In 3 years, I hope I can success in education. In 4 years, I hope my future will be bright. In 5 years, I want to improve my skills. In 6 years, I want to be more confident in my skills and achievement. In 7 years, I hope I reach many of my goals with my skills and livelihood. In 8 years, I want to become a firefighter. In 9 years, I want to become a doctor. In 10 years, I want to become a teacher.
Sorry, Owen, I have to go now because I have something to do. It was nice talking with you about our future.
No problem. Good luck with everything. And see you later.
Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.